we interrupt our regular programming. This is a national alert. Instructions will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Since May 11, 2027, Max and Rubio 004 was a lost episode that the people in Nashville who was watching the VHS copy of R.I.P. Mommy and Daddy without ejecting it by not listening to the emergency alert system. It is now 3 months since the attack happened in all of the 50 states of the United States. Death is our only release. I repeat, death is our only release. The following instruction will give you is to pray for Romans 6:23 to bless after this message. We will conclude the emergency alert system with our final national anthem. God bless you all, and God bless America.
This is a message to all the people who are from Canada and Mexico. The United States has ceased some of its broadcasting channels, such as CBS, PBS, CNN, and other USA broadcasting channels. The Calgary Police is investigating the incident of the United States. Do not even try to watch Max and Ruby 0004, or else Ruby will scream at you and kill you. For now on, you can now change the channel to CBC News for more information about the incident reports. Death is our only release.